I want to use the appropriate tool to loosen up your pipe from your gas valve and your gas valve from your pipe. It's not a pipe wrench, it's a spud wrench. That lets you get on the corners of the gas valve, and you're not supposed to use a pipe wrench on that. Alright, we get ready to crack it a little bit. That's how to remove a gas valve. So you make sure you use a spud wrench. And now we'll remove the valve. Okay, we'll get that to the point where we have it loose. Now we'll take it off by hand. Okay, you can see the square area where that spud wrench would go. That's where you would attach onto that. And the same thing when you're installing it. You should use a spud wrench, not a pipe wrench.